Hi everyone, Messy Happily, and I'm designing my roundabout, which I just added this here driveway. And now I'm planting my Artemesias from last year around. In the center, I have Limelight Hydrangeas, which takes full sun. Limelights are $28 a piece. They will get these beautiful white blooms. I am planting in zone 8A, which means it's June and I will have to water everything that you see all summer long. But next year they'll be fine. And I am growing my grass back slowly but surely. I split some azaleas in the middle there, and those lauritipellums in the center. Next year everything they'll be pretty purple because they need full sun. Over there I have my rose garden at the end, so the roundabout will be a rose garden, and then my evergreen garden is over there. So this is designing the front. I'll have limelights, and now I am repeating the same thing on this side. Now these here Artemesias, let me see if I can find, I do have a sticker here. See? They are perennials in my zone, and they grow 10, wait, what's the first thing? 4 inches and 4 and 10 inches wide. That says that's the average. Now, that says inches. I thought the ones that I bought, which are over there, they grow feet. Or maybe they were talking about the first year. All I remember is I'm on camera, I'm not doing any editing, but I remember those growing very large last year in the first year. And this is the Powers Castle. Oh, this is the Silver Mound. Those are the Powers Castle. I don't know if maybe these are a different kind, so we're going to find out this year together, because I do remember those are the Powers Castle. So these might be a smaller version, but I am repeating and doing limelights also on the other side. Artemisia and limelights. Now, that meant that my garden bed is not full anymore because I had 3 over here. Oh, and that mulch, excuse me, I'm pulling stuff. And I believe, yeah, these are going to get much larger. These have been in the ground for about a month, and they have grown. So I planted these here, put some leaves there because I have to bring that mulch over here. But I want these to fill in all of that space over there. Those are my goals. Oh, anyone wants to come and deliver mulch for me, that hill is a workout. But you all, hopefully, fingers crossed, I have the same exact thing, and then I'll be able to, once these stand back up. Right now they're drooping because they have transplant shock. Then I'll be able to keep these all trimmed up, and eventually I'll grow something along the front. But you all, I'm trying not to work as hard this year, which is not happening. And then at the very front, I have some verbenias. So those verbenias will get big, pretty, sorry for the blower, big, pretty blooms along with these limelights. Again, I am Messy Happily. This here is Legend, who loves rock, so I am so grateful. Legend will be getting dreads soon, so he will be getting his new look for the age of 3. And then that garden bed over there will be getting elephant ears, which are in containers being watered, but elephant ears are coming next. I have some grass, but grass seeds and watering while I've been on vacation is not fun. So this here is my update. Designing my front space. Oh, I hope these things fill in because it's going to look small. I did this video to let you know these are going to be small this season, but from what I remember, they grew pretty wide, and then those are like 1.5 year growth because they are evergreens in my zones. And then we all know that these hydrangeas, the growth rate that they will grow. Did I open it up for you all? For anyone who does not own any. These can take full sun or part shade. Zones 3 through 9. 6 to 8 feet spacing. All right, see you in my next one.